What's up, guys? So this is going to be my 1 month review of TRT, testosterone replacement therapy. In the bottom, there's also a link to my 2 week review. And in the future, possibly now, depending on when you're watching this, there will be reviews on my 2 month, 3 month, 4 months, stuff like that, just to let you know the overall experience. Anyway, so I am a month in. And at the 2 week mark, I wasn't really having anything going on other than I did have some sudden weight loss at the beginning. Other than that, nothing. Between the 2 week mark and the 1 month mark, I have suddenly started to have some hair growth on my back. Before this, my back was like a teenage kid, no hair on my back. Now I have had a little bit of hair growth come up on the back. No acne on the back, no new acne on the chest, no new acne at all. Also, mood's been great. I haven't been grumpy, none of that roid rage stuff that people talk about. And let's see here, as far as strength, I don't feel any different. However, from the time that I started to now, I am down 6 to 7 pounds. But most of that weight loss happened early on in the first 2 weeks. So I haven't seen any new weight loss. Let's see here. Other than that, energy levels are good. Quality of sleep is good. What I'm coming to find is that when I'm awake, I am attentive, and when I go to sleep, I do sleep very restfully. I haven't had any changes in my prostate. At least I don't believe. I haven't had a prostate exam, but if my prostate had swollen as a result of the testosterone, it would create frequent overnight urination, which I do not have. Let's see here. I am taking a 200 milligram bottle testosterone cypionate, and I do 40 cc's each time, and I do that twice a week. I inject subcutaneously into the belly fat. Let's see here. I also take enclomiphene citrate, which is an estrogen blocker that I take just to prevent some of the bad stuff that comes along with taking TRT. Anyway, that is your 1 month to the point review. Like I say, if you want to see the 2 week review, check the details below. Also, I'll have a link below to the 2 month, 3 month, stuff like that, to try and give you guys a chance to make an informed decision. So far, it's been not a whole lot of change. By the way, the belly injections are almost 100% pain-free. I was a little bit concerned coming into this that the needles were going to be a bother, but you barely feel them at all. It's almost like a mosquito. There's nothing to it. Anyway, have a good one, guys.